We have the student table, but in this case, we have specific condition that we want. We want to select students who mark more than, let's say, 70. Let's say the pass mark for this exam was 70, and we run that. We'll have all students who pass mark was more than 70, and what if the pass mark was 90? Let's select that and see how many students made this passed the exam. We have only 2 students. We have Raki and Ken Rain. That's how we apply the where condition. We can also apply where condition for the class. Class is equals to, let's say, student from class 4, and let's run that. These are students from class 4. We can change this, let's say, to 6, and there we go. The students from class 6. Note that we can use the where clause to create or write more conditions based on our specification. We can also, in this case, we can also specify that we want student whose gender is male. This will select the male students, and let's see, there we go. We have all male students in this case. We can also change this to female, and if we run this, we'll get all female students. And we can also specify the name that we want. We can specify the name is John Mike. Let's see if this works. There we go. We have the student, a student by this name John Mike, and his student ID is number 5 in class 4, and scored 60 marks. And we can also specify based on any of these entry. We can say we want student ID, that is ID is equals to, let's say, 10. And if we run this, we'll get a student who is Big John. We can change this to 11. Then we have Ronald in class 6. That's it for where condition and its application. In our next lesson, we learn about the logical operators and how we apply them.